Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm a stitching instructor. I'm making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to sew a can skirt. This is a 2-meter long can fabric. This is tissue fabric. Its length is 1 meter and this is the upper part of the can skirt. First, I will prepare the upper part of the can skirt. It's a simple cotton fabric. Fold the fabric in a half. Let me tell you one thing. This is for a 8 years old girl skirt. So total length is 28 inches. First, I mark the 2 inches for waistband. After marking, then make a guideline on it. And the width of this upper part of the can skirt is 7 inches, including the seams allowance. And you can keep the length up as long as you like. After marking, remove the extra fabric. You can wear this can skirt under any sharara, any lenhga or maxi. It will give a elegant look to your simple dress. This skirt length is 28 inches and it has 3 parts. First part I make it with the cotton fabric and 3 parts. Second or third part I will make with can. Remain fabric I will use for waist belt. Fold the waist belt like this and then sew it. It's time to sew a first part of can skirt. We'll leave a 1 inch seams allowance for later use. The opening part of the waistband is to be sewed before the waistband seams and 1 inch seams allowance is to be left for later use. Now it's time to sew the waistband seams. It's time to cut the second part of the can skirt. Its width is 10 inches including the seams allowance and keep the length as long as you want. And the third part of the can skirt width is 12 inches including the seams allowance and length you can keep as much as you want. You can see that I have cut the second part as well as the third part. It's time to cut the tissue fabric. I will sew tissue fabric with the third part of can skirt to make it look more fluffy. Its width is 10 inches, including the seams allowance, and keep the length as long as you want. After cutting, make a ruffle in that. You can see that the upper part is prepared by inserting the waist belt into the waistband. Now it's time to make the ruffle in second part of the can skirt. I sewed it. Now it's time to sew both parts together, like sew first part bottom to the second part top. I sewed it, you can see that. I sewed the back side part also, you can see that. Now make the ruffle in the third part also. Please note that the bottom of the second part and the top of the third part will be sewn together. Before show third part with the second part, I'm going to make the ruffle in the tissue fabric also. Tissue fabric is prepared. Now it's time to sew with the third part of the can skirt in order to make it more fluffy. I sewed it. Now it's time to sew with the second part of the can skirt. I sewed it, you can see that. Now it's time to prepare the back side of the can skirt. The back side skirt will be sewn exactly like the front side skirt. I sewed front side and back side all parts. Now it's time to sew the side seams. For this, I flip over the skirt to the wrong side and then sew. While sewing, ensure that they are lined up with right sides facing each other. Sew raw edges along both side seams. During seams, make sure front side parts, joint seams and back side parts, joint seams are equal and line up with each other. It is prepared and ready to wear. You can wear it under any lenhga, sharara or maxi. It will give you very beautiful look to your ordinary dress. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends and family. You can visit my Facebook page also. Link I have mentioned in description. Take care. Bye bye.